Hello friends, welcome back to the passcode channel. Apple just released iOS 15.4, and one of the most important features is that you can unlock your iPhone while wearing a mask, and you don't need to connect the Apple Watch. Today's video will show you how to use Face ID with a mask. First, you need to have an iPhone 12 series and above, and update to iOS 15.4 or later. In Settings, select Face ID and Passcode, and enter your passcode. Then turn on the Face ID with a mask option. Select Use Face ID with a mask. Next, tap Get Started at the bottom of the screen to set it up. OK, Face ID is now set up. If you wear glasses, you can continue to add glasses to increase the recognition rate. Now you can unlock your iPhone with your face while wearing a mask. That's all for today. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. See you next video.